Well, too late because I already started.
Hey guys, and thanks for tuning into this live stream of Bits and Tokens. Thanks for joining us on this lovely day. Happy New Year. It's our first stream of the year. Super excited to be here. Make sure to check into our website, bitsandtokens.com, for a bunch of cool and exciting things we have rolled out for you guys. As you know, we have our membership. Today, well, not today, but as of the 1st of January, that was actually our first official launch for the website. That was our day one. Before it was kind of like the prequel days going on there, the beta testing. Now the website is officially rolled out. Already set to go. As you see, you've got our iconic ticker right there going for us. But anyways, of course, you guys know that we have, an account set up, support page, video blogs, charts, shop for you guys. The big thing about this website really is the live chat feature, the access to buy cryptocurrency right there and off the website. Really, the purpose of bitsandtokens.com is to help you guys start up and be a more efficient crypto trader. That is the sole purpose of Bits and Tokens, because here's the thing. A lot of people don't know what the crypto space is about. And we are here to help you understand what it's about and understand what we went through on a journey and how to avoid some things that, maybe shouldn't happen on your journey. So we're here to help. Make sure you sign up on bitsandtokens.com. We have a silver membership out that's right now for a low cost of $9.95 a month. And we can help you with just about 24-hour service, wherever, whenever.
Yes, $9.95 a month, but I'm feeling generous. I'm feeling like telling the people that the first 100 people, I think there's maybe like 90-ish slots left. That use the code SAVE10 will save 10% on the first month. Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year's. I do what I can.
Yeah, so it's just, something to just help people that get lost, because a lot of people get scammed. A lot of people don't know what they're doing. And of course, we'd like to help everyone. And this is the most efficient way to do it. So bitsandtokens.com. And even if you want to support us, if you don't feel like you need a little help, go to our shop, buy you some Bit swag. We have our Bit team. I think, what is it? Big gang. Bit Squad. That's what it is.
Bit Gang.
There's so many slangs these days,
Oh my goodness.
There's so many of them. We have the Bit Squad shirt. That is our official Bits and Tokens, Bit Squad shirt. We do have a Bit Squad that we started up. So if you guys want to rock out some of our gear, feel free to go down to our shop, grab some gear, and, support our cause. All right, so let's get started. So other than that, we're going to talk about a few things on our news.
That's a nice shirt. That's a nice shirt.
Wow.
Special request. People been asking for the short sleeve. That's nice.
Yeah, it's nice model. Nice model. He looks cool. Is he in a gym?
He's
that's a gym.
Yeah.
He's in a gym.
Because the shirt is so good, you could work out in it.
Okay. All right.
Bitcoin accepted here.
That's funny. That's actually very funny.
That's where it's accepted.
Anyways,
I'm gonna head back to the bar for a second here.
Anyways, thanks for sharing with us that, Tim. Really appreciate that. So we have a few things for you guys today on the news. A couple things happened this week. Again, Happy New Year. It's a new year. It's gonna be an exciting year. Last year we saw a lot of ups and downs in the crypto world, a lot of fraudulent activity, a lot of great projects starting up. This year, just kind of saying what I think, I feel like it's going to be a little more regulated overall, for sure. There's going to be a lot more regulation going on this year. In addition to, there's not going to be a lot of people who are just going to be eager to probably just jump and start up a project. More serious companies and people who are probably going to think about what they're doing first are probably going to end up starting up more projects this year if they start up a project.
I hope so.
I feel like last year there was just a lot of people who were quick to jump on the ball, didn't know what they're doing, and ended up losing everything. This year, because there's, crypto lawyers and this, that, and the third, and you name it, I feel like it's going to be a more solid year, a more trustworthy year. I feel like more businesses are going to start to possibly incorporate it. There were a lot of, early adopting businesses. Some of them, ended up not using crypto over time, kind of like Expedia did. They accepted Bitcoin back in June when it was like $6,000, and then over time it started going down in price. And we're like, oh, we don't know about this, and kind of shut it off. I feel like more companies and more investors and contributors are going to understand more of the crypto space. So I'm kind of excited to see what this year kind of has to offer us. Super excited for that. That's just a little bit of my input, personal, thoughts about 2019, hopes and dreams. Any personal thoughts about you, Tim?
As far as what 2019 is going to hold for crypto in general? Well, I think that we're going to go a little sideways as, like you said, regulation gets put in place. But I have a feeling that 2019 is going to be one of those years that just we look back on and it's like, oh my goodness, we made a lot of money. I feel like this is going to be the year where we a lot of the solid projects that stick around are going to really take off, and I feel like we're still going to shake out some of those projects that don't really need to have any market share. I feel like a lot of projects that just are not doing anything are going to cease to exist, which is fine. I think we need that in the market, but yeah, I mean, we'll see. There's a lot of money was made last year, and that's when that was during a bear market. So it's still a little bit bearish now, but
Yeah, hopefully it looks like a lot of corrections were mostly done across the market. I feel like in certain areas, the market has, I don't want to say completely corrected itself, but just about there. And I feel like at this point in time, I mean, the only place to go from here is up. So.
Okay. There's always down as well. That's another direction that exists.
Well, I mean, that's going to be a thing for, crypto, what's the word I'm looking for? I was going to say stocks, but not stocks. Crypto bonds in general. They're always going to go up and down. Charts are always going to have, markets always going to correct itself. But I feel like because of that huge spike back on the end of, not last year, but the year before going into last year, that's what probably led that huge drop to happen in the first place. So I feel since we've kind of gotten out of that correction, hopefully we'll start to see a more positive impact on the crypto market.
Okay, well, if you say so.
If I say so. I mean, just even we're seeing here at the beginning of 2019, did you hear about Tesla? Oh, you didn't hear about Tesla.
Have I heard about Tesla?
Wow.
Like the company?
Like their stock being on a blockchain.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to pull this article real quick. It's over on Bloomberg.com, if you want to pull it up for our wonderful people there. So Tesla wants to put their stock on a blockchain. So I'll just read a little bit of this article right here for you guys. Ah, there it is. A little bit of that article right there. You just scroll down. I'm not sure what that is. Somebody's probably going to play, but...
Stop it. How dare you?
Yeah. So essentially, they're thinking about doing digital stocks on blockchains. A digital exchange opening next week will enable investors to trade in companies including Apple, Facebook, and Tesla outside of the U.S. even when stock markets are closed. DX Exchange, which has offices in Estonia. That's how you spell Estonia. Wow.
Yep.
And Israel will offer digital tokens based on a share of 10 NASDAQ-listed companies with plans to expand to New York Stock Exchange as well as in Tokyo, Hong Kong. You know
what that reminds me of?
What?
What was the one that you did the review on? Swarm?
I think you're talking about Swarm, yeah.
It reminds me of Swarm, but for companies after they've already had an IPO.
Right.
Why didn't Swarm do that too?
I don't know.
That could have been a whole thing.
It could have been. You're right.
Oh, man.
Could have been. But yeah, so that's something that's starting up. The DX Exchange. Essentially, there'll be. I'm assuming they're working themselves off a blockchain. And since they are a digital exchange.
It makes sense.
So, you know, that's something that's super cool.
Yeah, they're following the exact thing that Swarm is doing. Reading this article here, they're offering digital stocks or tokens based on actual shares bought and held by partner MPS Marketplace Securities Limited. So it's the same thing that Swarm is doing. They're just tokenizing the equity
shares,
that
right.
they are holding
Right.
as a private company. They could have done this. That's great. They dropped the ball. They dropped the ball.
Maybe, perhaps, yeah.
That's cool though. I didn't know that there was another company that was trying to do that.
Oh yeah.
Thanks for pointing it out.
Always there's always gonna be competition. You gotta look over your shoulder. If you have a good idea, man, you better run with the idea first.
Hey,
You better run with the idea first. And it's interesting because you see that a lot in companies. I don't. You know the pods, the moving pods where people have outside their house.
yes.
Before the moving pods, Public Storage also had pods.
Did they?
Yes.
What were they called?
So they were also pods. They're just pods. They still have them, I believe. Not a lot. Maybe you can get one